Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing the REDTIGER Dashcam, REDTIGER A4 Dashcam. Before we unbox it, let me just check the contents. Feel it. Seems solid. So it's said to have a 4K display, that's for the front camera, and also a 5.8 Wi-Fi data transfer, and also voice control. So let's check the content to see what's inside. Yes. This is the manual. This is a manual. Packaging looks neat. It looks neat for an almost 90 pounds camera. This should be the electrostatic sticker. Then it should be the front camera. Front camera. Front camera. This is should be the rear camera. This is the car trim too. These are cable clips. What's this? This should be adhesive. Yeah, adhesive for the front camera, and this should be for also for the front camera. So this is the front camera. This is wonderful. It looks very neat. It looks legit. And my kit, I added a tool installation kit which came with which is supposed to come with this 4GB storage memory card. Let me check and confirm. It should be it. So let's talk about this camera and everything that is on this table now. So this is the front camera, which shoots in 4K. Resolution goes as much as 4K. And this is the rear camera with resolution of, let me open this, maximum resolution of 1080p. 1080p. This is the rear camera. So the features of the cameras, especially the front camera, one of the features is it has G sensor for sensitive collision detection. Then both of them have motion detection, touch enabled. So this is the touch area, touch enabled area, and you can also use the buttons to navigate through the camera. Then it also has voice control command, as is stated on the box, and it accepts command like take picture, log video, show front camera, and the likes. Can't remember the rest. Then video detection is also claimed to be waterproof. This camera actually, this product actually looks very legit. Looks very solid. Feels like a 150 pounds camera, dash cam. I just bought it for like almost 60 pounds. It's cost about 60 pounds. then anti-fog, then it has stabilizing effect, and it can be placed on the dash cam either this way, on the dashboard either this way, or just beside the center mirror this way, and it can turn, since it can turn, yeah, it can turn this way. That's almost 360. It can do a 360. So in case you want to do a recording, like you're in the car or something, you want to record, you can turn it this way or flip it back the other way to record front. I think I've stated it covers an angle of 460 degrees. This covers an angle of 120 degrees. Then it does real-time surveillance, and obviously controls, connects to Wi-Fi through the app. It has an app it uses also. Then it does loop recording. That means which always allows you to continue recording irrespective of the size of your memory card. Then let's check the length of the cable. Let's see how long the cable is. This is the front. Okay, this is front camera cable. Let's put this aside. This is the front camera cable with the cigarette lighter connection. This is one that goes into the car. Let's see how long. It claims to be between 3 to 5 meters. That's like 16 feet. 1 feet. This is 1 feet. So let's just use this. Nine feet. So let's say 9.5, about 10 feet. So this is 10 feet long, about 10 feet long. Then let's measure this and see how long this is. It's 1 feet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so 16. This is 16. So if you are following this video, you will see that I stated one time that there's a cable that's about 16 feet long. So it's the rear camera that has a cable Type-C port where this is connected to. Type-C ports, then this port for the rear camera. So that's it. So I'll be making another video for the installation of this. Thanks for watching.